Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing my Xbox 360 wireless network adapter. It's in the back right there. Hold on, let me go ahead and prop my 360 up here. Stand it up. The little antenna on it moves. It's fairly easy to install, well, to set up. You just gotta, it'll ask you if you wanna configure it now. You just gotta scan for your modem and you're good to go. It's fairly easy to install. And go ahead and unplug all of it. Just basically plugs into the USB port in the back. Goes in pretty easy. You take the little prong things, they fit into the little holes right there and there. I think the top one goes in first, if I remember correctly. The bottom one, you gotta squeeze the bottom part of that network adapter and it goes on. And it's nice and snug and secure to it. And it even looks good on it. Matches the color perfect. And then you're ready to go. So I got my 60 gig hard drive on top, see that? So now it looks like a real premium or pro, whatever they call them these days. And the little antenna thing on it moves. I think I already said that. So yeah, that's me reviewing my network adapter. I think yes, it's worth spending the $100 and getting. It's worth every penny. I'll see you later.